let's go to question. First unique number. This is a new arrival, so there are no numbering, not yet. Okay, let's get into it. Actually, we don't know the difficulty of this problem, but I think it is maybe medium or the hard. And then if we implement with optimal solution, maybe difficulty level is maybe hard. And then today I gonna implement with optimal solution. So are you ready? Okay, you have a queue of integer. You need to retrieve the first unique integer in the queue. Implement first unique class, and then this class has three methods. First is the first unique, and second is show first unique, and then last is add. Add is the method for insert new data into queue, and show first unique is okay, let's say there are this queue has 1 3 1 3 4. At this time 1 is 2, not unique, 3 is 2, not unique, 4 is 1, so 4 is unique. So when user calls show first unique, 4 must be returned. Does it make sense? Yes. Okay, let's check with example 1. First, user create the first unique. So the nums is 2 3 5. So now queue has 2 3 5. And then next, so first unique run. So we need to return the 2, because even all of number is unique, the first number is 2, so return 2. Next, add 5, so put 5 here. Now 5 is that's not unique, and then unique number is 2 3, so run show first unique method again, so return 2, and then add 2. So now 2 is that's not unique, so and then next, so first unique is a return 3, because this is the only one to return. And then next add the 3, and then now 3 also not unique. And then finally, so first unique return -1. -1 means that there are no unique data in a queue. Okay, how we can solve it? Actually, add something is that maybe constant value, but if we use a list, so first unique is that we needed to traverse, so it takes the linear time. So our challenge is we needed to optimize so first unique. How we gonna do? There are several ways to implement so first unique. First is using list. List is when you traverse the list, it takes linear time. And otherwise, we also able to use heap, but heap also take time, the log n. Finally, there are best solution for that. That is time complexity is constant. Can you guess what is it? Yes, that's right. That is doubly linked list. The reason why doubly linked list is constant, it is the data structure. Easy to insert and delete. Not only start from end, but also middle of data. We can add and delete with constant time. So we're gonna use a double linked list to check the sequence, which one is first, and then second, I'm gonna use the map to find the node with the value. Okay, let's implement code. To use double linked list, we need to make node class, and then we make initializer, constructor, self, and then okay, let's list the value val, and then okay, val, I will store val to self val, and then need the self pref initialize with none, self next is initialized with none. Okay, now we're ready to use double linked list. So okay, let's implement constructor of first unique. As I mentioned, we will use map and double linked list. So let's make map, and then to use double linked list, we needed to make head and tail. Self head is node, and then I didn't put any argument as a variable, and then self tail I will use none, and then I will put -1. The reason why I put -1 is if there are no data, we needed to return -1. And then I will make a relationship between head with tail. Self head next is pointing self tail, and then self tail prep pointing self head, and then now we needed to put nums data into first unique. So I will iteration for num in nums, I will use the add function. So it is time self add num. So now okay, let's make that function. First, okay, let me make alias because I don't want type self. So map is self map, and then head is self head, tail is self tail. It is not only easy to typing, but also increase readability. And then maybe there are two conditions. The value is the, already stored in map, stored in first unique or not. So first, if value is already stored in first unique, and I will get node with map value. And then if node is none, none means if value is already not unique, and then I will just return, because if the node is only one, it had the map value pointing the node, but this is the twice. That means the no need to check anymore, because above the 2 is did not show the show first unique method. So I will, if the some node frequency is the more than 2, I will delete from double linked list. Then finally, even we running show first unique, it did not return anything. And then we can reduce the time complexity to constant 2. Does it make sense? And then now delete node from DLL. So there are one node, and then node prep and node next is there are 3 nodes. And then now how we, if we the to be deleted the node, we needed to make the new relation from previous and next. At that time, previous next needed to pointing node next, and then next previous also node pointing nodes previous, like this. So node flag next is node next, and then node next flag node flag. Now the relationship with the node with flag and next is disconnected, and then last I will update the map value is none. This one indicates there are no node in the DLL. So next time when we same value input, it will return from here. Did not do it again. And else now I will create the node because there are no value in first unique. So node is node, and then value, and put node into where? Front or last? Head or last? Yes, tail. Last. So now node flag must be tails flag because tail indicate the last one, and then node next needed to indicate tail, and then tails flip next indicate node, and then tail flag also indicate node, and then we need to register this node key is value. Okay, now we finished the add function, and then now we left only one. How we can do that? Now the DLL has no duplicate number, consists of all unique number, so we just return the first one. The return first one is the return self head is pointing. Self head next is the first number, so just return back you. Node take no argument. Oh, really? There is value bar. Aha, there is typo. Okay, again. Runtime. Meaning missing self-head node. Oh, I didn't put any initial value. Okay, finished. Okay, looks good. Let's submit. Okay, accept. In this case, time complex of constructor, it is linear because there are one iteration. It depends on items of unknowns, and then next. So first unique, there are any iteration? No, because so it's constant. How about add? Is there any iteration? No, so it also constant. So only initial need the linear time, and then another is the constant. I think this is optimal solution. Thank you.